Hello everyone, and thank you for your interest in OneNote Digital Planner 2022 Teal Edition. This is Eva. If you already purchased the planner, thank you. If you might be interested, please find the link to the purchased one in the description to this video. In this video, I would like to walk you through installation process using OneNote Installer. Once you purchase the planner, you will get a PDF documents with very detailed instructions how to install the planner. And first things you will see is a Google Drive, so you will copy and paste and open your browser. In Google Drive, you will see two main files. One is the same instructions, and one is actual Teal Planner zip file, the one you need to download. Also, you might be prompted to download a Google Chrome. It's going to offer you by default if you don't have it, and you need to use Google Chrome. You will see the importance of it later. So we'll just click on a zip file, and to try to download, it might take a few seconds. For the purpose of saving you time, I'm just going to speed up this video until you get this notice. So you're going to click download, and again download anyway, and you can see in the right upper corner the zip file start downloading, and the total file is 152 megabytes. So a couple of seconds and it will be in your download folder. Okay, the file is ready, and if you could click on it, you can see it. However, we need to find this file in your download folder. For these purposes, we're going to go back to my PC, in my case it's Windows, and find our download folders. And here's our zip Teal Planner, and we're going to unzip the file, because for the purpose of importing to a OneNote Importer, we need to have unzipped file, which takes about 2 seconds, and here we have our unzipped Teal Planner. This exact folder you're going to use later on. Going back to our instruction, we need to open OneNote Importer link using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So we're going to copy and paste our OneNote Importer link, and it's very important to use either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Copy paste link. In my case, OneNote Importer link opens immediately because I already was logged into Microsoft account. But most likely in your case, Microsoft will ask you either sign in or create account from the beginning. So for this purpose, I'm going to log in into my Microsoft account one more time using my password. And once OneNote Importer page is loaded, we're going to click Import and navigate to our download folder and find our unzipped Teal Planner and click Upload. Next, you will see another confirmation message about uploading 22 files, and you will confirm. And next thing, you have to wait until upload will be done. It might take a few minutes, depending on internet connection or speed. In my example, it usually takes a little more than 3 minutes. If it takes longer than it should, and it appears that something went wrong, then most likely you're using wrong browser. If you experienced any additional issue with importing OneNoteBook into your account, please refer to this article on Microsoft website for additional reference. However, the good news, in majority of the cases, if you're using the correct browser, eventually you're going to get confirmation that your OneNote was imported, and you can proceed with view your notebook in the browser. Once the planner opens in the browser, with the first page being a cover, as you start clicking around on the different pages like index, year, months, tasks, you will see that hyperlinks are blue color, and they also appear to be misaligned with their respective tabs. However, please do not worry. For whatever reason, web browser does not display hyperlinks correctly. All you need to do is open this planner in your native desktop app. So on the upper ribbon, you go Open desktop app, confirm, and once you open, you will see that all links are perfectly black color and they align with their respective tabs. And the planner looks exactly like you saw in my ad, clean minimalistic design using mostly two color, teal and gray, and for the text I'm using black. At this point, we're almost done with installation. However, I do recommend to do one more extra step. It's to hide author initials. In order to do that, you need to go to View, Hide Initials, and it's done. The planner is ready. I hope you find this installation video helpful.